Ahil and I am going on my very first Umrah journey. Come join me.
And Makkah and Medina. Open it, let's see what's inside. So Etihad Airways gave my nephew a game board and a passport holder and a bag. That should keep him occupied throughout the flight. So our next stop is Abu Dhabi. Let's go.
मुझको बुला
My need for Umrah. Now I'm heading to Makkah. So you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon to follow my journey. Oh God!
We've got chicken biryani, we've got hummus and salad and a dessert, and also small naan breads for the hummus. Our next destination is Jeddah, inshallah. Just arrived at Jeddah airport, now heading towards our hotel. We are making our way towards Masjid al-Haram to perform our Umrah, inshallah. Let's go. Matthew's first Umrah, inshallah. So excited to see the Kaaba? Yeah. So do you know when you see the Kaaba for the first time, what will you ask for? What will you wish for? It comes true. Do you know that? So when you see the Kaaba first time, what are you going to wish for?
To get more V-Bucks.
To get more?
V-Bucks?
V-Bucks?
Yeah.
So everything in the world, you can ask for V-Bucks.
Yeah.
I'll get you them, don't worry. So shall I tell you the word that to read when you see the Kaaba first time? Say, Alamiya, make me successful in this world and in the next. And give a good health to my parents and my grandparents. So it's too simple, you didn't have to just say, yeah?
पड़ी जब पहली नजर क्या चीज है दुनिया भूल गया यूं होशो खिरद मफलूज हुए
My nephew and we are performing the tawaf, so that's 7 times around the Kaaba.
आशा भूल गया
They had put a barrier around the Kaaba so we couldn't get close because they were cleaning the Kaaba and also they were having a photo shoot.
क्या चीज है दुनिया भूल गया काबे पे पड़ी जब पहली नजर पहुंचा जो हरम की चौखट पर एक अब्रे करम ने घेर लिया पहुंचा जो
After completing our tawaf, we prayed 2 nafil Maqam Ibrahim.
अब्रे करम ने घेर लिया बाकी
Then we drank some Zamzam water facing the Kaaba.
होश मुझे
Heading to perform say to Safa and Marwa. I've got a more detailed vlog which I made in October, which I'll link above and in the description below. So make sure to see that, which I've explained step-by-step guide on how to perform Umrah. I also will link a step-by-step guide in the description below where you can download and print a copy. These tile floors do really hurt your feet, so be careful when So first of all, Ahil, Umrah Mubarak, your first ever Umrah. How did you feel?
I felt excited and happy.
So when you saw the Kaaba the first time, like what did you think was the first thing that came into your mind?
I was like, wow.
So did you do the words like what you wanted? Yeah, inshallah they will come true. I'm so happy for your first ever Umrah, and first of many inshallah. So we're coming back towards Masjid al-Haram and going towards the clock tower. So on the way my dad got his hair shaved. So we're going to go and pray Isha Salah first and then go and get something to eat. And we decided to have al-Baq for dinner. So you cannot come to Saudi Arabia and not have al-Baq. It's like a must. So we've got chicken nuggets with spicy chicken nuggets, chips, and Dad got chicken biryani, and the rest of us got al-Baq. If you decide to eat after Isha prayer, be prepared to wait around for a table because everywhere you go it's just really busy. So just be prepared to wait around for a table. So we ate in the clock tower. There are 3 floors and 2 floors are the food court area, and both floors were really busy. I hope you enjoyed watching my nephew's Umrah journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and click on the bell icon, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Thank you for watching. Keep me and my parents in your du'as.
कुदरत भी तेरी, ताकत भी तेरी, रहमत भी तेरी, हैबत भी तेरी.